Let's start with the history of the building. So, what is a High Park Suites? It is a 5-acre freehold residential suite located in Kelana Jaya's premier area. It is a sustainable urban development since it was created with quality, practical aesthetics, and urban living in mind. It consists of 2 towers that are tucked away in a lush paradise above Kelana Jaya's skyline, and last but not least, it is carefully crafted to suit different tastes. So, why it was built? First is to increase the quality of life. It is also to harmonize natural surroundings with numerous amenities, and last but not least, its value appreciation are ensured by favorable locations and sustainable ecosystems.
High Park Suites is a service apartment nestled in the core of Kelana Jaya, located at Jalan SS 6/7 Kelana Jaya, Selangor Darul Ehsan, Malaysia. Designed by Gamuda Land to have Green Building Index, High Park Suites is the very first green building in Kelana Jaya. High Park Suites was built on 5 metaphorical pillars of foundation, them being convenience, chic, chill, compact, and capital. So here is a look into the concept of High Park Suites. High Park Suites is built on a 5-acre piece of freehold land, and its completion took place in the year 2019. The service apartment is made up of 2 blocks, A and B, and houses a total of 1,067 service apartment units. Block A is 33-story high, while Block B has a total of 29 floors. There are 260 studio units and 204 suites, with built-up area sizes of 452 square feet and 603 square feet, respectively. The rest are duplex units, 36 of them with built-up areas of 743 square feet each, while 12 of them are 840 square feet. According to the developers, High Park Suites is being designed to cater to the young at heart with its urban designs for a sophisticated and trendy lifestyle.
I will continue with the type of IBS applied. The type of IBS applied is precast concrete system. The application of precast concrete products in construction exists in 3 different systems. The building is using the frame system. The precast concrete is created off-site using a mold. A concrete frame consists of columns and connecting beams that act as the main structure, forming the structural skeleton of a building. Columns are the vertical load members of the frame, while beams are the horizontal load members of the frame. This grid of beams and columns is used to support the floors, roof, walls, and so on. The concrete members are transported to site where a crane then lifts and places them into position to construct the frame.
Process of IBS construction on the building. Column to base connection. Precast concrete columns are bolted on the footings and the joint connection is casted with concrete. Column to column connection. Columns are joined by bolts and the bolts are then grouted. Beam to column connection. The beam is placed on the bearing pads of the column corbel and is secured with a rebar. The gaps in between are then grouted. Wall-to-wall connection. Vertical reinforcement in precast walls is usually lapped at horizontal joints. The lap can be formed by grouting a bar extending from one unit into the metal duct in the matching unit. slab to beam connection. The slabs are fitted at the edges of the beam and the slab rebars secure the adjacent slab. The gaps are then grouted.
The first point of the advantages is safer work method. With IBS construction method, the number of accidents at site can be reduced. The lesser the construction time, the lesser the accident can be occurred. And then we have intensified the quality outcome. The quality can be enhanced by IBS construction because it is more precise and have more organized line of work than normal construction method. The third one is shorter construction method. This IBS construction can shorten the project time by reducing the consuming process, such as on-site wet works. It is because these high-park suit components, such as column and beam, are prefabricated from the factory, which is Gamuda IBS factory. And then the fourth one, sustainable construction. Prefabricated components reduce the construction waste, carbon emission, energy use, and disturbance to the surrounding environment. The last one, we have cleaner site condition. The reduction of on-site construction, such as wet works, cause the site to be more clean and the wastage of the construction are reduced. So now we jump on to the advantages of IBS in the construction high-park suit Petaling. The first advantages is safer work method. Then we have intensified the quality outcome, shorter construction method, sustainable construction, and then the last one we have cleaner site condition.